Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Here's how I fixed some holes in the wall, filled them in, and installed a toilet paper dispenser. So here are the holes in the wall that we started off with. Here are my supplies that I used. I started off with filling in the holes with the flex glue. I got this at Walmart. It was very difficult to squeeze it, but I filled in the holes with the flex glue. This is the toilet paper dispenser. I took the parts out. I tried putting the anchors in the holes. That did not work out because one of the anchors, anyway. So I put a sticker on there and I had to use like this tiniest needle screwdriver in order to install this. So thankfully I had one. Make sure if you get this particular set that you have one of those screwdrivers, and I installed it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.